Okay, so guys, what is up? Welcome to episode 8, I believe, of the Java programming tutorial. During the last tutorial, we did some did some decision making within Java using our if else statements and our the switch statements. Uh, I don't know how to really review over it except for that um if statement checks the parameter, which is this right here, and you check it for a it, you check it to make sure if your the parameter is true, and then it'll run your block of code, and then else it'll else else if your parameter is false, it'll run a run a basically different set of code. And for your switch statement, you basically you're basically using a parameter and checking for checking for something and making cases of it, which will run codes for each cases. And some case you might want to break, while others you might not. And and um and 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 during the last episode, I didn't really explain why you would want to keep your breakout, but basically um w- basically you would want to keep your breaks out where when when say say like you're making a text-based game, and there's basically a series of stuff you want to say to the character if they put in a certain number or a certain phrase, and um basically that's what you would do for the cases. But that's the best example I got. I don't know how to explain it further, but like I said, uh, like I said during the last episode, we're gonna be finishing up our second project today. Um, let's delete these two classes and make another class and name it. What do I want to do? I did a calculator already. Mm, let's make a simple text-based game. It's just something very simple. It's not gonna like destroy us. And uh, write your main statement. And uh, from our fifth episode, we're gonna work in a different class this time actually, and name it. I'm gonna name mine text-based game 2 because I don't know what's a good name for it actually right now. But let's make ourselves a method in here. I'm gonna make a constructor first though. And hmm, should I have made a constructor? No, let's not make a constructor. Let's just make a method. I don't think I've taught what a constructor was. I'm not sure. I'll go back and check and if I did, I'll go go do constructors during the third project. If not, um I'll talk about constructors leading up to the third project. So let's make a public void um method, and then we're gonna call our second class over here. And then that method. You could have done a constructor, but I basically want to follow on with um, methods because I'm not sure if I went over um, constructors yet. But but um but if I have, feel free to use the constructor or feel free to follow what I just did. So in the game, what do we want it to do? We want it to take in something. So scanner equal new scanner, and then system dot in, and then we're gonna have several integers: attack, int, defense, int, block. Nah, just two: attack and defense. Let's keep it simple. And we're gonna have a string for our name. Okay, I should have defined it up. I should have, yeah, let's do that up here, guys, and our scanner right there. We want the scanner to be private to this class, the attack to be also private to this class. Same with in, the defense and our string. So all privates. And then mm, system.out.println, and we're gonna welcome adventurer. Please state your name, and name equals scanner dot next line, and then let's print out another line. um, Hello, and then your name. um, Welcome to, should this be a cap? I don't think so. So welcome to um, Bamboo Land. If Bamboo Land exists, please do not like sue me or anything. Um, then let's make another system out dot print line, and what is your attack level? And our attack equals scanner dot next int, and then I'm gonna copy these two, duplicate it, Control D, defense level, set this to defense, and yeah, system dot out dot print line, your attack is attack plus period your defense is, and then defense. And then let's make a private method down here, and private void, actually private, yeah, private void encounter. Should I have, should I have made it a void? Um, yeah, yeah. And then we can call our encounter method up here. Then let's do several line breaks so that we don't confuse ourselves where we are. 3 line breaks. I think 2 should be fine. And then sum that out. Dot print line. You have encountered a goblin with, and then I'm gonna like make another 2 more ints right here. Int goblin attack and int goblin defense. And I'm gonna set it equals to a goblin's attack would be 10, and it'll have a defense of 3. And actually, I'm int health and equals 100. And I'm gonna create another int for the goblin's health equals 20. I'll change this. That seems like a very overpowered goblin with goblin attack, and goblin defense. Let me do some punctuations. Goblin with that much attack and that much defense. it has or have goblin health. Be careful. Nah, well, we don't need that. Okay, so now time to do some checks. I'm gonna do an if statement. I'm gonna do an if statement. There we go. If your attack is greater than the goblin's health, system out dot println the gob ugh, the goblin have been slain. Slain. Else, I'll put another if statement right here. This is something I haven't touched on, but now you're learning it. If the goblins attack, actually no. Mm, let's do some math right here. If the goblins attack, no, if your attack is greater than the goblin's health times 3 of the no, plus right here, and then times 3 of the goblin's defense. Oh, okay. So basically, what I'm doing here is I'm taking your attack with you're gonna input here, and then I'm checking if it's greater than the goblin's health, which is 20, times 3 the goblin's defense, which is gonna be 9, and then I'm gonna add it together, which is gonna be a 29. So if your attack is greater than 29, the goblin is gonna be slain. Else, if the if your attack is less than um yeah, else if your attack is less than the goblin's health plus 3 times the goblin's defense, system dot out dot print line. I want um your health to be decreased because you're basically attacking something stronger than you. So your health, so health equals health minus goblin attack. So basically what I did here is I set your health, which is 100, equals to the your health minus the goblin's attack. So say the goblin's attack is 5. It's gonna take your health and minus 5 from it. And that's basically what it is. The goblin have attacked for 5 damage. That go with some gamer shortcuts right here. 5 damage. Your HP is now health. And Yeah, I think that's good. If attack is equal greater than greater than or equal to this, if attack is less than this, yeah, that seems about right. So let's test our little text-based game right here. Uh, psh, oops, gotta go over here, press run, and then text-based game. So, welcome adventure. Please state your name. So my name is Pandaism. Hello Pandaism. Welcome to Bamboo Land. Like we said, basically if our attack is greater than 29, then we're gonna get this, right? Um, let's put it as 23. And our defense level, let's put it as 10. And your attack is 23, your defense is 10, uh, breaks 2 line, and you have encountered a goblin with 5 attack, 3 defense, and it has 20 health. And it'll print out this line because our attack is less than what the goblin health plus 3 times the goblin defense is. And my health is now 95. Oh, that is not good. Let's restart the game. Pandaism. And let's make ourselves overpowered. Because why not? It's a goblin. 10,000 attack with 500 defense. And the goblin just got wrecked. GG goblin. And yeah, you've made your first extremely simple text-based game. Um, this the source code for this will be on my GitHub. There will be a link in the description. If y'all didn't get anything, please leave a comment and I will try to get to you as fast as possible. If the class name changed, that's because I found a better name for the classes instead of text-based game 1 and text-based game 2. But yeah, thank you for watching, and project number 2 is finished. Videos for project 3 will be, I don't know when, hopefully soon, but thanks for watching, guys.